How to fix WhatsApp not opening. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not opening problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps right here again. Go to the WhatsApp app. If you didn't find it, just go to the search bar right here and search for WhatsApp like this. When you find it, click on it. Now right here on this page you have to do only simple things. Just click here on force stop and then go down to the power usage details and click again here on this force stop option, and when you click on it, go to the app launch option and then disable it, wait a few seconds and enable it again. Go back and make sure that power consumption alert is enabled. Now when you go back, go to the settings, click on wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. Now open WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.